morning children. Today we came back to our second class maths block 13 in LP3 children. Block 13 is introduction to multiplication. LP3 we have done our LP2, we have doing now LP3. Skip counting by 2s, 5s and 10s. Okay children, this is the skip countings by 2s, 5s and 10s. In previous class already have learned skip counting children. Once again I am going to repeat this. Now I want to form 7 groups with 2 apples in each group. How many apples will be there in all? How can we write our multiplication sentence for this? How can we find the number of apples in all? So these are the apples which I made a group. How many groups in there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in these 7 groups, how many apples are there in each group? 2. In each group 2 apples. So how many groups I made here? 7 groups. Okay. So 7 into 2 is 14. So now this is a sentence. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus is 2. How many 2's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here 7. So how many here? 2. 7 2's are 14. These are the number children. This is the repetition sentence children. Repetition number is 2, 2, 2. So we are skip counting of 2. So we can write like this also children. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Okay children. So 2 plus 2 is 4. 2 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. So we can see there are 7 groups with 2 apples in each circle. 2 is added in each circle. 2 is added 7 times. So how many times? 7 times. We can skip count. Okay children, we can skip count of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and 14. If the number is same, we can skip count of 2's. So the repetition number should be there children. If the number here it is skip count of 5's. Here if it is 5, we can skip count of 5, 10, 15, 20. In this place if it is 10 is there also we can do. Repetition sentence number should be same. Skip count by 2's, 5's and 10's. Skip counting is counting in jumps. Okay children, it is jumps children. Skip counting by 2's is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So here what we are doing? Skip countings of 2. So 2 means how many? 3, 4. 4 to 6 how many are there here? 2. So 6 to 8 how many are there? 2. So 6, 8, 10. Now here skip counts by 5's. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Skip counting by 10's is 10, 20, 30, 40. Skip counting can be used to add, equal group or multiply children. Skip counting can be used to add equal groups or multiply. Here you have given the example here children. 4 into 8. 4 into 2 is 8. So here how many are there here pencils? 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. How many groups here children? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. So in each group how many are there? 2. So 4 2's are 8. Here 2, 2, 2, 2. So we can make a skip count also children. Thus addition numbers are repeated. So 2, 4, 6, 8. Here one more example of 5 is there children. 4 into 5 is 20. So here some balloons here. Okay children. These are the balls children here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are making a group of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many groups, children? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 groups. In each group, how many are there? 5. So total how many? 20. So this is a repetition sentence of 5. So we can skip count of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay, children? Example here, one more. How many fingers on 6 hands? So how many fingers in 6 hands? 6 hands with 5 fingers on each hand. 6 into 5 is 30. So these are the hands, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So each hand have how many fingers, children? 5 fingers. So find equal groups and how many in each group. So how many are there in each group? 5 are there. So write a multiplication sentence. So this is a multiplication sentence. Count by. So this is a multiplication sentence. Count by 5 6 times. So count by 5 how many times here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is a skip counting of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Open your workbook, children, page number 27. S3, write today's date. Skip counting by 2s, 5s and 10s. Here you have given the example, children. I am not doing this. You do yourself. Use color pencils and don't draw same pictures. You can use other pictures also, children. Okay? Draw a picture to show each problem. Find how many are there in all. So the example here is 3 into 2 is 6. So here he have done how many here? 3 groups of 2s. 1, 2, 3. So in each group how many are there? 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2, 2, 2. So 2, 4, 6. Okay, children? So do this B, C and D. Fill in the blanks using skip counting by 2s, 5s and 10s, children. Here the A1 example is 7 into 2 is 14. So the skip counting is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. The B1 is 3 into 5, C1 is 2 into 10, D1 is 3 into 10. Okay, children? Next, last is third bit. Rashi wants to give 4 pencils each to 5 of her friends. So she want to give how many pencils, children? 4 pencils each of 5 of her friends. Okay, children? How many pencils does she need? How do you know? So here, children, how many pencils she told? 1, 2, 3, 4. So she told 4 pencils. So for how many friends? 5 friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 friends, 4 pencils means how much, children? 20. So 4 into 5. 4 5s are 20. So she need 20 pencils. Okay. Thank you, children. See you in your next class.